In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. First, open the Claude Code website or app, such as the main Claude site. If you're new, create an account. Otherwise, sign in with your existing credentials. Once you're in, look for the option to start fresh, either new project or new file, so you have a clean workspace to build from. Next, choose the programming language you'll be working in, like Python or JavaScript. Picking the language up front helps the editor provide the right syntax highlighting and makes Claude's suggestions more accurate. Now give your file a clear, descriptive name, such as main.py for Python. Using the correct extension helps organize your work and signals to the environment how to run it. You're ready to start in the editor. You can type code manually if you know what you want to build, or you can ask Claude to generate code for you. For example, you might say, write a Python script that reads a text file and prints lines containing error. That's a great pattern. Describe the goal, the language, and any specific behavior you need. As you iterate, you can also prompt Claude directly in the editor or the chat with targeted requests like optimize this code, fix the errors, or explain what this function does. Claude will update or annotate the code for you, often with explanations so you understand the changes. This conversational loop is powerful. Use it to refine logic, improve performance, or learn why something works. When you're ready to test, click the Run button at the top. The output will appear in the console window. Give it a moment, especially if the program needs to read files or perform network tasks. Review the console output to confirm the behavior matches your expectations. If you see an error, don't panic. Read the error message in the console carefully to pinpoint where things went wrong. Then ask Claude, why am I getting this error? Claude will explain the issue and suggest specific fixes. If needed, include the exact error text in your prompt so it has full context. Apply the recommended changes and run again until everything works. Once you're done, click Export, download code, or save locally to keep your work. From there, you can use the files in your own environment or share them with collaborators. That's the complete flow, from setup to code generation, running, troubleshooting, and saving, so you can build confidently with Claude Code.